So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy Litecoin, ticker symbol LTC cryptocurrency on KOHO Financial. So once KOHO Financial is opened up, which it is for me, go to the bottom left, press home, this top bar, slide it to the right and press on invest. Then in the middle, press on explore crypto. You may see it here under most popular, latest, gainers, etc. So you can go ahead and kind of play around with it. If you don't see it for whatever reason, it's all good. Go to where it says see all. Either type it in at the top, Litecoin, or you can scroll down to where you can find it, which for me is right here, Litecoin. Go ahead and select it. Where it says buy or sell, you want to buy it, so make sure that you press on buy. Then on this page, you have to go ahead and just confirm that trading crypto is right for you. So you have to answer a few questions as well as, get approved, and if all is good for you and you're able to proceed, you will be able to proceed with the transaction of purchasing Litecoin on this screen. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to buy Litecoin, ticker symbol LTC on KOHO Financial. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.